again. Well, before we get on to the UK, I'll just take you quickly to what's happening in the Philippines, because Typhoon Noru has been moving its way across the island of Luzon. You can see it here on the satellite image. It's now strengthening in the South China Sea, so it's already brought a lot of destruction across the Philippines, but it's going to be heading its way next towards Vietnam over the next few days. So a significant storm surge, flooding rainfall and damaging winds. And it's not the only tropical cyclone we're watching at the moment, because Hurricane Ian is strengthening in the Caribbean. It's going to be pushing its way towards western Cuba during Tuesday and then potentially heading closer to Florida, making landfall there by around about Thursday. Both these storms have the potential for flooding rainfall, damaging winds and a significant storm surge as well. So very active at the moment towards the tropics. Closer to home here in the UK, a typically autumnal feel to our weather. So the wind's been whipping up the waves out there today, some big shower clouds around, and the next few days we're going to be sticking with that theme. So it's looking quite cool for the time of year, blustery winds and plenty of showers in the forecast as well.
Hello, good afternoon. Outbreaks of rain earlier on this morning. That was a cold front sinking southwards and eastwards across the capital, introducing chillier feeling air and also a noticeable northwesterly wind too. Some beautiful autumn colours here in Twickenham, some sunny spells through this afternoon, but do watch out because there will be a few showers blowing through at times. But because of the strength of the wind, they shouldn't last for too long and that wind will pick up at times.
But it looks sunny there. It wasn't sunny today, I'm afraid.
Did you get caught in a shower?
Yes.
And yes, it has been cold. Our temperatures are probably about 2 or 3 degrees below average. And because we've got these winds coming down from the north, if you get caught in a bit of that breeze, it's right chilly outside. Anyway, let's take a look. Here is the full forecast. Hello again, I hope you had a lovely day. I think this is the most autumnal photograph I've seen so far, isn't that? It's getting very orange out there. Feel free to send more in, shove the odd squirrel in. Now tomorrow, fairly similar to today. We've got some sunny spells, but also some showers in the mix. It's still breezy tomorrow. That breeze will start to ease a bit through the weekend and then pick up again, probably by about Friday. And it's feeling quite cool outside as well, especially with a little bit of a wind chill.
A little bit closer to home, let's take a look at the weather. Matt is here. Hi, Matt.
You say that, but I'm just going to start with a bit of space weather, in fact, Fiona, because Jupiter tonight will be at its closest to Earth as it has done since 1963. If you've got some strong binoculars, a telescope, great night to go out and get the best view you possibly can. Look to the east, but of course you need those clearer skies, and some will win, some will not.
Hello again, welcome back. Now, if you're lucky enough to have a clear sky tonight, you'll be able to see our biggest neighbour in the solar system. Jupiter is at its closest to the Earth since 1963. Alex is here to tell us where to look and when. Alex.
Yes, all fairly exciting. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, is set to make its closest path with Earth in 59 years as we travel between it and the Sun. Like many planets, including our very own, orbits around the Sun are not in perfect circles. They tend to be more of an oval shape. Now, these elliptical orbits mean that planets get closer and further away from the Sun at different times. Tonight, Jupiter will be at its closest to the Sun and Earth will be in between them in opposition. And at 367 million miles away, it'll be the closest we've been to the planet in 59 years. So where is the best chance to see it? Well, it depends on how clear those skies are. But down the central spine of the country is where it's looking best tonight. That's where we're going to have those clearer skies. But out towards eastern and western fringes, I'm afraid there's going to be a touch more cloud and also some shower outbreaks of rain. So this could just hamper things somewhat, but a fairly decent chance to see as we come away from those coastal parts and we pick up those clearer skies. But it is also going to be a fairly chilly night. That is going to be a bit of a theme as we head through the course of this week. Well, it certainly was feeling fairly chilly through today, and the night times are going to be fairly cold. It's going to be feeling a lot like autumn as we head through the course of this week. Showery to start, some bands of rain around midweek, and as I say, staying on the cool side with temperatures a bit below average for the time of year. So there you have it. Plenty to talk about Jupiter tonight and the possibility of our first frost towards the end of this week.
Thanks, Alex.
Thank you, Victoria. Well, it certainly feels much more like autumn, doesn't it? We've had some sunshine today, we've had some showers around, and we've seen some rainbows too. This beautiful picture captured by one of our weather watchers. And we'll continue with this theme of some sunshine, some showers and fairly breezy conditions as we look ahead to the rest of tonight too.
But for now, thanks for watching. And from all of us here, whatever you're doing, do enjoy your evening. Bye for now.